Good evening, everyone. From the last video, we learned how to say my hair, my eyebrows, my cheek, my head, my nose, my arm, my feet. Tonight on this video, let's learn how to say your head, your arm, your feet, your cheeks, your ears. Let's start. To say your feet, for example, if the last letter is a vowel, for example, feet or saka, the last letter is letter A, which is a vowel. If the last letter is a vowel, add letter M. Sakam, your feet. Sakam. Let's use it in a sentence. If you wanna say, let me see your feet. Kitaek man ta sakam. Kitaek man ta sakam. Sakam. Kitaek man ta sakam. Let me see your feet. Next example, hand, or in Ilocano is ima. Ima. Your hand. Imam. Imam. Example, let me see your hand. Kitaek man ta imam. Kitaek man ta imam. Imam. What happens? What about if it ends in a consonant? For example, hair or buok. If it ends in a consonant, if the last letter is a consonant, just say the word and then add mo. For example, your hair. Buok mo. Buok mo. Your ear. Lapayag mo. Lapayag mo. Your arm. Takyag mo. Takyag mo. Your cheek. Ping-ping mo. Ping-ping mo. Let's practice. Your body. Bagim. Your feet. Sakam. Your eyebrows. Kiday mo. Your arm. Takyag mo. And last one, your hand. Imam. Imam. So, that's it for tonight. See you in the next video. Good night.